Needham 1. Run.
521.
Start me a card for a parking problem.
10-4 and you're 23.
Yes, that's 4. I'll get a 28 from one truck when you're ready.
Go ahead.
From one truck, Boy Lincoln X-ray 985 should come back up next. Holding.
Toyota 2000. Patrick Spalding.
10-4. If you can just put a little note on the log that I'm going to be leaving a note on his vehicle advising him to remove it.
10-4. Rockingham 505. 505 and shifting Millism case for Athens, clean it, soon to be X, slash her tires and has made threatening comments to her. She's concerned he might return.
10-4, give that to 32.
10-4. 532, you're assigned to a vandalism case at Athens. Did you copy the 505?
10-4. Depot Street, truck boy enters left.
That was 435?
10-4.
10-4.
You go with that 43 again.
143.
You go with that 43 you had. I didn't hear any, but I had jumped the flag me down.
10-4, I just wanted to know if you should be put back 76 to Cabana Circle or to the subject's address.
Yeah, I'll be 23 back on that town property case, and I'll be 76 to the Williams Road address to see if I can find the owner.
10-4. 449-1120.
449-1121, thank you.
10-4.
Code 4. 4.
Rockingham 535.
Yeah, that was great college.
535.
Should be. Got no for a woman who walked into a house. I'll slide up that way.
Caller has now been able to close the front door. He's now pounding on the door, trying to get in still. about 5 foot, long dark hair, got tie-dye shirt on, and number 21 felt maybe the person on the right.
Yeah, more. KCF 15, testing simulcast.
Transport, that's all. Set waiting.
Rocky EMS 147.
Go ahead, Ross.
720.
21. Thank you.
10-4. Rocky EMS 147. 1120. 10-4.
$16.82. Sorry, no transport. You're returning a service. 2122. Punching high. 1042. Charlie on phone 12 on River Street. Looks like. Springfield dispatch. A1's clear, seeing no transport. We're in service. Machine 1721, KCF 15. You two returning to service 1724. Signal command. Patient 1725. K1. $17.26. Right.
501.
506 by Sunburst, 76 Southern City with 1.
501, 10-4. 142. I'm going to call Bella Falls and advise them of you also.
Turning 2483, go ahead. problem. Sorry. Well, what's the chief complaint for this bike cyclist I just saw by Edward Jones? He seemed to be bicycling just fine.
Apparently when the motorists were having contact with him, he was up on Blackbird of produce, guiding in and out of the roadway. And the real safety hazard to himself.
I'll turn around, see if I have any contact. 600. 76 to Baltimore Road. I'll also check on that 56 subject.
Well, there's contact with him in the area of Edward Jones.
10-4. It is the 2. I'm not sure if their mom wants to come get them or if 11 wants to. I don't have room for both in my car.
What's in line? Well, we're specifically on River Street, where some of the subdivision.
They're right here next to the cruiser. Right after the footbridge on across from 100. Just around the corner.
I just tried to give you a 21. If when you get a chance, just let me know and I'll call you. I've got to run some case past you.
In the mouth of the riding in a Toyota Corolla System Array.
George 530 identified the operator as Ray. He has picked up the 2 females. I'll come back from it.
Marion is prepared a copy of BOL. BOL described as a gold Toyota small vehicle. Was traveling 91 southbound, got off at exit 8. The plate does not come back to that vehicle. Back in a 97 Jeep Wrangler, white. Again, it was 91 southbound, a gold Toyota small car. Erratic operation. Vehicle has since gotten off at exit 8, and the complaint has continued on into VOL.